What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We are the Prasad Family 4. I'm Natalia.
My name's Terrence.
And today, the video that we have for you guys is a viral TikTok snack. So what kind of snacks do you think we're trying here?
I don't know. I see you got marshmallows there, cotton candy. There's some fire chips there. There's pickles. I don't know where you're going with these.
Alright, guys.
Big ass jalapenos.
So, some of the viral TikTok hacks that we've been seeing, all these snacks and stuff.
And you got cream cheese here too? Oh, you know cream.
I'm talking. Okay, so some of the TikTok snacks that we've been seeing here, we've got the jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese and Takis. I've never had these Takis before in my life, so I have no clue what they even taste like. And I'm not a fan of cream cheese unless it's cheesecake.
Where does pickles come in?
Where do the pickles come in? And then we have pickles with cotton candy.
They're supposed to what? But
so you're gonna wrap up the cotton candy around the pickle, and you're gonna eat it.
Oh, you're really trying to hurt my belly.
It is what it is.
Really trying to hurt my belly. Alright guys, so let's get into this and let's try this. Let's put this together.
Alright guys, so which one do you want to try first? You want to do the pickles and cotton candy, or do you want to do the Takis and the jalapenos?
No, let's do that first. I'm gonna use the pickles to cool my mouth burning from biting into this jalapeno. Oh, where did you get the cutting board from?
Alright, so I've already washed these jalapenos off.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
This is about to be hot. Can I get a drink?
No.
Huh?
No. We're
Okay,
gonna cut this off.
Can I drink something before?
No.
Huh? No, I need a drink.
No. So cut off the top. I'm gonna cut out right here in the middle. Okay. Oh. Mind the pepper seeds.
You got seeds flying all over the place.
Alright, so. Okay. Cleaned out. That's one.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to bite this, yeah. No?
What are you talking about? It'll be fine. Actually, I don't know about you, because even when we did the spicy noodle.
Yeah, the spicy noodle was hot.
Okay.
That was artificial flavor. That was hot. Like, that wasn't like...
Alright, cleaned out as much as possible. There we go. So now we're going to take some cream cheese.
We got that volcano one too. We should do that one.
Want to do that one later?
After burning up my belly with this one, you want me to burn up my belly?
Cream cheese.
With the spicy one?
Okay, I'm going to take cream cheese.
So how spicy are these chips?
I don't know. It says extreme, I think, on it. I'm going to take cream cheese and I'm going to fill up.
Find out how spicy these are.
The jalapenos.
Can't be that spicy.
Okay. Don't eat it now. Wait until we have it.
I can't try one by itself?
No.
Why not?
No.
Huh?
This is a first reaction. What are you going to do? Eat
Oh,
first?
it's a first reaction. Okay. But I already touched this one.
So then?
Huh? Okay. So how much am I supposed to put in there?
As many as you can.
You're supposed to fit as much of these in there as possible. Alright.
Yeah.
So I guess you got the cream cheese in there, got the jalapenos, and you got the chips.
Alright, so you stick as much as you can in there as far as it can go down.
Oh, you're the one. The whole thing went in. Okay, man. So you're supposed to just stuff as much up.
Stuff as much as you can in there.
I can only fit 4 in mine.
Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like.
It's It's oozing out. Oh, 5 for that.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Alright, so that's what it is, I guess. So
Yeah. So just bite it.
big bite as possible.
Just bite it. Bite into it.
Alright, here we go. Alright. I don't know, I'm nervous to try this. Yeah.
Go on.
You want me to go first?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna go first.
What does it taste like? Oh, your hand gave me some space. Okay.
It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. Not as spicy as I thought. It's pretty good. Not something I would eat all the time, but it's pretty good. That's not my bad taste.
It's not terrible.
Oh yeah. If somebody else, I'll finish it.
I wouldn't eat this on a regular basis. Absolutely not.
It's kind of sweet because of the cream, the dip.
I think the cream cheese kind of helps take away some of the spiciness. I'm gonna see who came up with this, because how do you really think about getting the jalapeno and sticking cream cheese and some chips in there? They must have been high.
Oh man, you're too funny. All in all, it's pretty good.
It's decent. It doesn't taste terrible.
I'm done with it.
Extreme hot chili pepper and lime. Oh, they're rolled.
I can definitely taste the lime.
I don't know.
Alright, so yeah, that was the jalapeno, the creamy
Jalapeno, cream cheese, and Takis. I got a lot of pepper in that bottom of my jalapeno. Ooh.
Let it burn.
Alright.
Let it burn. Alright, so moving on to the second one, which is the pickles and the cotton candy. Pickles and cotton candy.
Ooh,
Pickles and
so
cotton
pepper.
candy.
Jalapeno.
Can't get no salt for the pickles or nothing?
No.
Damn, no. That's cold.
Alright.
That's
I
cold.
might need you to open this. Yeah, you gotta open
Oh, you need a man in your life, huh?
it. No,
Oh,
that's
now
because of
you
my
need-
wrist.
Now you need a man in your life, huh? I knew it.
That's what he thinks.
Now you need me.
Whew. My mouth.
Good dog.
I had seeds in the bottom of my jalapeno.
Seeds in your Woo, woo. See, yo, this do not look real. Like, why does this look so?
Look. There's just stuff in the packaging. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of this though.
Where's the color?
It's white. See, it's snowballs.
Don't look like no real cotton
Strawberry flavor.
candy. Don't look like no real cotton candy. Eh?
Sure, out of all the things that you eat in your life, this one's not gonna kill you, so. Alright, come. Open this up.
Unbelievable. Alright, pass me a plate.
I'm about to call you weak.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Bad man like me strong. You want a curved pickle or a straight pickle?
Mind your business.
This one don't even want to come out of the jar, look. Yeah, you get the first one out of the jar.
What do you think? He looks like a girl or a shower? I'm gonna knock some of this extra juice off.
Actually, you know, that's true.
You want to trade, huh?
Oh yeah, let's trade pickles.
Alright, well. Knock some of this juice off. Just a little bit. Want the pickle taste still. Alright.
Alright, so explain. What do we gotta do in this one?
Got your pickles.
What we gotta do?
You got your cotton candy. And you're just gonna wrap it.
So I'm supposed to bite that whole thing? Yeah, I can't cut mine?
No.
Huh? Why not?
Why?
There's a knife right there. I can't use a knife to cut mine?
You got bite into it. Got wrapped pickles in there.
Cotton candy and pickles. Who put this together?
I told you.
Where did you see this?
These people were high.
Huh? Where did you see this?
TikTok.
This is crazy. It's already melting in my hand. Huh?
Ready?
You gonna go first? You try it first this time.
You try it first? Okay.
You maybe try that one first. I'm not eating this whole thing, you know. Last time I partake in one of your videos. What
do you think?
It doesn't go together. It just tastes like when you sprinkled sugar on a pickle. It tastes like the. So it just tastes like sugar on a pickle.
Yeah, I don't know who came up with this one, but I'm not feeling this one.
I'll peel this off and eat the pickle by itself.
I haven't had pickles really since I was pregnant with Aria.
Cotton candy and pickles? No. Pickles by itself? Yeah.
No, I'm not a fan of pickles like that no more.
Huh? Why would pickle by itself?
But with the cotton candy. Alright, so how did you feel about the pickles and cotton candy?
I ain't feeling that. Never eat that again.
Me neither. I don't know who came up with that one, but I'm not feeling that one.
These chips though. Let's take these chips upstairs and let's move.
Alright, so the jalapeno and the cream cheese and the Takis, that one can go on. I'm actually kind of digging that one. Not an everyday snack, but it was different. I liked it. This guy's just here eating. Alright guys, well.
These chips are bomb. They're try one. You can try one by itself?
No.
Try them. They're pretty good. Got a little spice to it though. Try one. Got a little spice to it. A couple of these and you need some water.
I don't like it.
Don't like it? It's alright. I don't know who put these things together, but definitely not healthy.
Alright guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell your friends and your friends to tell their friends, and so forth, and support the family. Alright guys?
That's right guys, make sure you go subscribe. Peace.
Bye guys.